Hello, traders. I'm Adelina and welcome to my day trading. Hopefully, you hear me this time. In this session, I'm going to let me know if you guys hear me. Okay, yes, this time, yes. So, welcome to my live day trading. I'm focusing on active trading, scalping, intraday trading on US30, Dow Jones, and gold. I break down price action trading, support, resistance, market structure. I show you my entries, my exits, my risk management, my psychology in real time. Okay. Hello, Cosmic. Good morning. Thank you for joining me. Sorry, I had some issues with the other streams, but I can see this one is better. How is everybody doing? How are you, Cosmic? Okay, so we're watching Dow Jones. US30 I'm watching right now. I'll show you the charts in a second. In one little second, I can see the price got to the higher from yesterday. So let's see, it's gonna reject. What's gonna do? Hello, Harpal. Harpal, how are you? Hopefully today we're gonna have a better day. Hopefully. Let me see. Did you trade today? Okay. You did not yet? Okay, so let's get to the charts. Here I have the chart. Okay, so I did mark the high from yesterday. Here it is with the blue. So the price did touch this area. It's also a support now from 1 hour. So this area, it's pretty strong. Let's see how the price is rejecting it. It looks like the price did reject it. But am I going in for? No. I'm waiting for the price to go below the EMA. Sometimes I be a little bit too conservative, but it is what it is. And for a long, we're waiting for this area to break and retest, of course. Let me see. This, it break the EMA on a 1 hour. It opened above. Let's see. I do want to buy. I do want to break this area so I can go in. I like something like that. But we'll see. Do I have a trend here? Yep. Beautiful trend line. Does he want to break the trend line too? Okay. Bad situation. Okay, so you guys tell me what you want me to watch. Talk to me. Talk to me. It looks like he wants to go up, I think. What you guys think? We're gonna go for a long zone. Let's see what gold is doing. The people who trade gold, what strategy do they use? He said, I hope today you're okay. Yesterday you do not like a trader. What means you do not like a trader? I wasn't like a trader. I did not think like a trader yesterday. Wow. Interesting. I was still a trader, but I was a emotional trader yesterday, I guess. No, it's not even emotional. I don't know how could I call it. It's just the first trade that I took yesterday. Yes, I took it a little too early. Because my initial plan was for the retest, and I just took it from an EMA retest. But the second one, the second trade, I feel okay because I did follow my strategy. I really follow my strategy. And it just was one of those days where my strategy did not work. I can blame Trump for that. It's Trump's fault. No? I think like you guys have such a big expectations from me. Don't have such a big expectation from me because I'm still human at the end of the day. And Here we go. Let me see, because the US30, I think it breaks the area. Let's see. Sí, todo. Okay, at this point, this area is not broken yet. Remember, I need a full candle. At this point, it can either be a break of the trend line. That works too. Hey, Marianne, how are you? Ooh. I'm glad you're good. I'm good. I'm good. How is your trading going? Yo sin ti no vuelvo a enamorarme, bebé. Here we go. What is it called doing? It's going down. Oh, you can see the trade on yesterday's gold. Look at this. It will be perfect. I did close it, but it went up. Look at this. I could have a 12. Oh no, more than 12. What? 18. Whoa. I'm B today. You better today after take two stop loss yesterday. Oh, same here. Marianne, two stop loss yesterday, so it's okay. Two stop loss should not kill us, if we manage it properly. Yesterday, let's see, euro. What did you get on euro yesterday? What did I told you to do yesterday? Oh, I told you the two. Here. That's the trade that I told you yesterday on euro. You took it. You weren't here when I was talking to you. There's the trade yesterday for the euro. You all got it too. I am working on a new strategy on US30. But yeah, I'm not there yet. Maxi, come here. Come here. Oh, you took the short yesterday. It's fine. Here did we break the trend line? Not yet. Not yet. like a something and brain past now. Life's gotta do what it does. Shoot us the good lords of the above. Nothing works in that market, just discipline and hope. um, yeah, yesterday was crazy. No, not new strategy. I'm just working on a strategy. This is the very powerful strategy. Max came here to give me some good energy. Yeah, you guys see him? Let me just see. I don't know how to put this camera more down. There we go. Max is here for support, so everything is gonna be good today, yeah? I saw that a lot, like on my Instagram, a lot of people ask me for strategy based on indicators. So I'm like, let me just look into something. And if it actually works, I'll just let you know, guys. Are we going on a short, Maxi? We going short here soon? Look at him. It went up last night, the market or the gold. Maxi, can you just see it? Okay, I have the break of the trend. The market might form here an M. We're very close to the EMA, so right here we can look for an entry. I need a good entry today. I don't want to embarrass myself like yesterday. I mean, embarrass. You know what I mean. Baby, come on. Does anybody here speak Spanish? Mm. Because next I might do live trading but in Spanish. I don't know why YouTube don't like me, don't put me up there on the lives. So I don't know Italian, Mariano. I just know Spanish from telenovelas when I was young. Oh, which is funny. Yes, I am under live here. I am. Or I'm not. Let me see again. Next left. It's like the market went back up, so let me just go. There's no entry for today. Hola, mami, qué guapa. Ah. Hola, mami, qué guapa cuando na na na. Said I only know te amo. Ah. I'll do both English and Spanish. I starting next week to see if YouTube likes that better. Because for a reason, whatever reason, I don't know why. Everybody that's watching me, they found me on Instagram. Nobody on YouTube. I can't understand. Whatever. What am I doing wrong? Make it in Romanian. But in Romanian, I don't know if people at this hour will watch. What time is in Romania right now? Yeah, people don't really. Do you think people will watch at this hour? They done trading at this hour. So for Romania, I will have to do it at 5, 3 a.m. my 3 in the morning my time. I'm like, I can't do that. Here we go. If it breaks again this trend line, if it goes above trend line, I might just go in. Oh, Harpal, what is your strategy saying? Hmm? I speak just three. Just three. English, Spanish, Romanian. Italian, I can understand it because it's very similar, but I can't speak it. I'll understand it. I'm curious, Marianne, you are kind of like the same age with me, 34, right? You study, we study, me at least, I study French in school for many, 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 many years. I think it was mandatory at that time. Do you? Do you study French? Do you speak it? Și mă întreabă dacă sunt ok. Am în minte numai ok și zâmbetul. No, they are still trading network session. What are you talking about, Cosmic? Hmm? New York. You look like I'm 20. I'm 34, yeah. But thank you. Oh, happy birthday, Tiberio. How is your trading? You pass it. How is it working for you? Okay, I'll admit it. I'm gonna be 34 in July. So I'm 33. But you know, when is your birthday, like in July, I lived my 33 years old, right? So I'm leaving my 34. That's how you calculate years, I guess. Because you already lived 33. So now I'm leaving my 34. You understand what I'm saying? You don't go into your 33. You already lived it. So you already lived 34 years old, Tiberio. So you're going into your living your 35. Yeah. You already, because, yeah, you already lived it, 34. So you end it. You're going to leave from tomorrow. You're going to start your 35s. Okay, let's go. What I can say that in July, that I lived 34 years on this planet, but now I'm leaving my 34. You understand? Oh, Jesus. I'm overthinking it right now. I think I should be you know what? I'm out. I want to wait for the retest of the area. I was about to go emotionally in. I don't want to go. I need this area retested. Your setup, stay away? It says stay away. Why? Send me your setup. If the trend changes, if we go below the EMA and this area, I think it's going to be a drop down. You know, this might be a fake breakout. But let's see. I'm not in. I want the retest. I was almost in, but I changed my mind because I realized I'm not following my strategy. I just want to trade. I can't afford another bad day today. Sipping in a bad dream. There's no you and I. Don't show when I cry. I love you. Let's just breathe. If it gives me a retest here, yeah, it's beautiful. Probably I'll go till somewhere here, one hour. Let me see on 5 minutes. Do. Oh, that was. Okay, let's wait now. Let's see what gold is doing. Yeah, I'm curious if you guys trade gold. Like, what's your strategy? Like, how do you trade it? Is this a fake breakout of this area? So now it's gonna go up? Let's see NQ. NQ is going up, same like US30, basically kind of very similar. Is around this area from yesterday, same like US30. Very similar. Okay, with bowling band and candlestick. Got it. Got you. Choffy. Man, the market moved beautiful today. Look at all this beautiful trend. It's beautiful. 8:30 open here. Just feel like we miss it. We missed it. Today market, I cannot understanding. You cannot understand the market today. So yesterday the market was, because was Trump was speaking about the tariffs with the Europe, so the market was confused clearly yesterday, you see. Today probably the market just chill out. They don't take Trump as serious. I don't know. And it at 10 o'clock, it was any news? President Trump's speech. He talked today at 8:30. What is it? Why did he talk about? As you see, 8:30, and then after his speech, the market went up. So he probably said something good. I don't know what he said, but let me see the news. US stock higher as Trump rules out force in Greenland push. Mm-mm-mm. What did Trump? Had a very good relationship with China. Shift pending sales. So yeah, US stock higher. Let's see. Went up, okay, while S&P went up, okay, Dow Jones. We ever ask for anything and we never got anything. We probably don't get anything unless I decide to use excessive strength and force, where we will be frankly unstoppable. Trump rules out any military action, but said he was seeking immediate negotiations. Whatever, Trump rules out force in Greenland, so that's why the market went up. Man, I said we need to make strategy on what Trump says, not any more technical analysis and things like that. Okay, the gold. If the gold breaks this here, I might go on a scalp. Just for fun, I need a trade. At least still here. Pick the world up and I'ma drop it on you. I'ma pick the world up and I'ma drop it on you. And I get down now, rebirth. Pop up in my spaceship and leave Earth. I'm gone. I'm gone. Put an alarm. Don't you know? Let's see what is silver doing. I'm rolling apart right in front of you, can't you see? Lose control when you're not next to me. Okay, so it's at this support level. Look, 1, 2, 3. Price touch it many times. Silver touch it again. So it's at this level. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict. We can wait to break this trend and go for a long. Probably, possibly. Euro is ugly. And the US30 looks like the volume is lower. So low volume. But come on. Are you guys trading? What you trade? Sun is going down, sun is moving down. Staring, losing my mind. You know, for if the price don't give me a pullback, I don't want to go on a long because I don't know how long it's gonna go this long. I need a pullback. But the price, the market is taking his time. Bad dreams, lady on the other side. EMA 9 and EMA 20. Because EMA 50 helps you when the price is consolidating. EMA 9 and EMA 20 can be better for example, this uptrend where the price is just going nice. But once the price go up and down consolidating, EMA 9, it gives you a lot of fake breakouts. Let me show you. Oh, I got it. The gold is crossing the trend line. Okay, this is the EMA 9. Oh no, 9. I just want to put it with white so I can see it better. You can see, for example, here, for my strategy, it rejected this area, and I'm waiting for the price to go below EMA. It went below EMA, but it was fake. You see here, so 2 fakes already below a full candle. Here, where the price was consolidating, you can see it gives you many ups and downs. When the 50, it acts way nicer. You see how nicer it acts? 50 comparing with 9. 9 is too close for me. You see, even here. It gives you way many fakes for me, for my type of strategy. Many fakes. Here. Too many. EMA 9, I think is good on 5 minutes. Let me see. 5 minutes. But even on 5 minutes, it does act way nicer on 5 minutes. But you see the 50x. I don't know. I just like the 50. If you're a scalper that you just want to go in and out just for a few minutes, you can use the. Okay, guys, I'll go to the gold because it's calling my name. Here we go. 1 minute. So I missed the entry. Nifty 50. What is Nifty doing? Nifty 50. 5 minutes. Finally, the Nifty 50 moved nice last week. Keeps going down. Wow. What hour do you trade, Alpesh? What time frame you use? I think the price want to retest this area that was before a support, and even here, and it might go down at least till here. 15 minutes. I think it will want to go retest this and go down. Also on 1 hour, the EMA 50. Nice rejection. Let's see, 15. Yeah, wait for a retest. Oh, actually, this was wait for a better retest of the retest of this area. It's not yet there. Didn't touch it. It did not touch it. Yeah, wait for a retest of this area, even on the EMA. For a short. for a long, wait for the same scenario like here, break back this, you see? When this was a resistance, the price break it and retest it, and then it went back up. So this is a very important area. It's either gonna touch it again and go down, watch this, or if it breaks, wait for the retest. You might have to wait a few days for the retest, but yeah, that's what I think on 15 minutes. Save your tears for another day. And if it gives you a nice retest of the blue area, I think it's gonna go till here, till the white line. I run away. Yeah, that's all I have for the 50 Nifty. Yeah, it looks better than before, definitely. Definitely. Save your tear for but always look at the nice retests. Always look at the nice retest. This is not a nice retest, but when price gives you a nice retest of the EMA 50, it don't matter the time frame. You see? Beautiful. Less candle, better. Go in. It looks like the Nifty likes the EMA 50. You see? Even here. Actually, I'm so much busy in research area, so I have limited time to focus. What do you research? Always watch how the price reacted before. That should be your guide. Do you think the price is tiring? Or the US30 is getting tired? You know what? I have a flashback. Like this is what kind of happened yesterday. The price break the area, then it had a consolidation, went back to here to EMA and gave a retest. I got in and stop loss, and then it retest this area stop loss. It seems exactly like yesterday. But you know what I'm gonna do today? If this is gonna happen, let me go to yesterday's. So yesterday this was the area, right? You see the price went up, then it had a consolidation around here, then it went back to the EMA, and then it went to retest this area. So my strategy for today is if I see the price forming lower highs, I'm not getting in till the high is broken. Like for example, at this retest, I could see that's it's lower highs and lower lows formed. So for me yesterday, the only when I should only enter if the price was breaking this white line, forming back higher highs, you know. So that's I'm going with this in mind today. I'm not playing around. So let's go back to this area. and see the price wanna form lower highs, lower lows. Cooling systems. What do you study, Alpesh? Like you are on a university? So that's the strategy for today. Because it looks kind of too similar from yesterday. Don't you guys think? You are in a sale on a US30? That's great. That's amazing. Where did you get in? Parhanilai. If you break this white line here, I'll go in for a short soon. We'll see. Ooh. Yeah, bad situation. Like yesterday, retest the EMA. Oh my god. Almost an hour and no trades, my friends. Okay, let's get on the gold. I wanted to go in. Your target is like my white line? Oh, okay. So you're expecting the price to reject to this or this trend line? I do want the price to react to this area because that's my strategy, break and retest. So I need this area to be retested. Let's see if you want to retest it, but a nice retest. I don't want. Today is no trade day, Harpal. I see why you're saying that. Why do I am yawning like that? Why silver is so much up? I did make a little analyze on, you see, this is a support area. 1, 2, 3, 4. The price touched this area many times and it went up. So it did touch it today too. January, yes. So was expecting to go up. Silver crossing the trend line. It's also breaking the trend line right now. It break the trend line, a retest. I'm not gonna get in, but yeah, this was a strong area. The price reacted nicely. Let's see what the US30 is doing. It's at the area of interest. Go to the showroom to buy a Ferrari. Why do I need a Ferrari? Ferrari. You know, let me show you something. Parbanila. I don't know if I should show you this. No, I'm not gonna show it. It's fine. My favorite car is Black Jaguar. I like SUVs. I need comfort. Ferraris are too much for me. Ferrari, Lamborghinis. If you love speed, that's for you. But if you like comfort, no. That's not the best car. You got out? Parhanilayas. Parhanilayas, are you are new, right? Where did you find me? Where did you find my life? Set me free. Bad dreams. Lady on the other side. Whoa, strong when I cry. Okay, we're preparing for a long. You promoted my video where? Hello, Robert. Welcome back. Let's go the straight here. What do you mean, let's go the straight? Go up? Oh, you share my videos. Where? On your Instagram? Yeah, thank you for sharing, though. I want you to share it. I want you guys share, like, subscribe, all that. Some groups, thank you. I really appreciate you, Alpesh. I really appreciate it. Okay. Harpal, we going up? I need to break this and I'll go. Let's see. For the last time. And I see fire. The group of friends. Ah, so you trade it in a groups of what? What are they doing? I said, oh, look, I know this girl that she trades. Just watch her. Let's go. Not yet. We're not going yet, Harbon. But if it breaks, you see it forms already a trend line down. Let's delete this green one. I don't need it anymore. If it breaks this, I'm not doing it. I have to do it. I'm not doing it like yesterday. I need to break this white line. And if it breaks this white line, it also breaks this downtrend and it also breaks this trend. For the up. So this will be my entry if it goes up. So go down. Let's see if it breaks this area. And we can go on a short. Inside of mountains I see fire. Morning the tree and I see fire. Today we are a little more cautious. Guys, please like, subscribe, share this. Don't forget. Robert, how are you? I see you here, but how are you? Thank you, Alpesh. I see fire inside of mountains. I see fire burning the tree, and I see fire. Oh, you busy? Busy, busy. Well, you know I've seen my city burn. I see fire, see the sea go from my skin. Oh, my battery is off. Oh my god. Yeah, it was fun, Robert, when we were more coaches live. Sam is doing very well. If you check his live, he's doing very well with his live streams. Very well. So what are you doing for a living, Alpesh? Like you do research, but what are you? And how old are you, Alpesh? Oh, you're 30. And what are you doing for a living? You are a journalist or something? You have to publish. Yeah, but in what um, um, areas? Researcher. What did you study? Scientific research. What do you study? Did you study? You went to university, or if I put so many questions, you don't have to answer. You don't have to. Let's see. I'm in middle of my okay. She's good. No, I did not. I'm waiting for. I did not took a long. I'm waiting to break this line here. I'm waiting for this line to break, and these two lines have to be broken. Let me put it a little thicker in order for me to go on a long. I'm preparing for a long. But not yet. Not yet. Miles, Hayden Miles. Where are you from, Hayden Miles? You're still holding with a target of 48,600. 48,600. What was? If I'll take a short, I did not took a short yet, but the next area that if you want to take a short, this area. And also, what did I do? And also you can watch the EMA 600. Yeah, it's 600, yeah. So you think it's going down to the 600? Let's see. I am ready to get in a short too, but I need to break this for the short. How did you find me, Miles? I live in Miami. Originally, I'm from Romania, though. Sun is going down. Sun is going down. Flying losing mind, steady losing my mind. About you. Don't you wanna keep sipping in a bad dreams? But Hanila, I'm glad we have almost similar areas that we're watching. I've been watching a couple of videos today, so I put you on while I do write up on my trades. Yeah, but where did you find me? On Instagram, on YouTube? Where did you find my life? Something physical. Without you. Without you. Oh, I'm glad YouTube recommended me to somebody. I'm glad. Hi there. Please subscribe. And I want to see you more often here. Oh, what? Come on, just break this so we can go in. Just do it, sir. If you guys have to describe Dow Jones, what do you think? Is a woman or is a man? That's a stupid question, but it's fun. Is Dow Jones a woman or a man? He said, "Oh, women, because only women can understand other women." Uh, Pretty enough to be a woman. Hello, MH Droshua. How are you? Welcome to my life. Let me make cause I'm really curious. Let's start a poll. When I feel like today Dow is gonna give me a trade. I really feel it. I really feel it. If it breaks this line, I'm confident to go. I really feel like Dow wants to treat me right today because Dow is a man. Yeah, it's a man. Tao is a man for me because he needs to treat me with respect and nice. Sometimes he plays around, but if he was to be a woman, she would be a little bit more of a, women's usually, we women's, which is funny, we are very competitive between each other, you know, which is not good, but that's in our nature. So I don't want Dao to compete with me. I want to go my way. Price don't want to break this white line. If you break this white line, it's beautiful because it also break the EMA with a full candle. He's like, I don't like her because he's a man. Men with men compete with each other. Women with women compete. So you need to find an instrument that's a woman, Robert. You find a woman, an instrument that's a woman, you treat her nice, like you follow the rules, you don't just go crazy on her, and she's gonna treat you good, you know? But even how it sounds, Dow Jones is like a British Don or something. NQ. Probably that's why. Here we go. I decode. We decode the behind. What is micro Nasdaq? Nasdaq. Nasdaq also sounds like a man. Nasdaq. Nas. You know which sound like a woman to me? Yes. It sounds like a woman. Okay, so 80% of you, Dow theory, Dow or other. Navaraj, I don't understand. Dow, 80%. Just 5 votes though. I was saying, Navaraj, the way the name sounds. Dow Jones. It sounds like a man. It can be a man. A British, not king. How you call those? Royalty something. Dow. Oh no, I don't know. What about Dow theory? She's crazy. NQ is crazy. He said, okay, come on, ma'am, open a sell position so you are on pair with me. Dow is a man. I'm waiting to break this. Right now the price is consolidation, Parhani. Like I can't just go. That's the Dow theory. The Dow is a man. Yeah. I felt it like he's a man. Is the basis for technical analysis. I really don't know it. I'm not embarrassed to tell you that I never heard Dow theory. But I'm gonna research it right now. Dow theory, the six core, pullback correction, main trend, primary trend, main trend, pull or bear, secondary trend, pullback correction. I didn't know this is called Dow theory. This is basically technical analysis. How to trade use Dow theory. Identify market bias, bullish or bearish. Trade pullbacks, not tops or bottoms. Combine EMA, key levels, break and retest structure. That's what I'm doing. Simple example, higher high, higher low, higher high, bullish. Yes, confirmation come when the structure flips. So the structure kind of flip here, but I need a confirmation. I need a break. If you can simply this one line rule, a cheat sheet, apply directly to your EMA 50 strategy. Yeah, so I'm do trading Dow correctly. You see, that's why he's treating me nice. It made a boss. How you feel about going bullish? It made a boss. I'm waiting for HXC. I'm waiting to go long, but I need to break this. This, I need to break it to go. I'm not just, you know. And I'll go on a short, but I need to break this blue. Blue. Lo que sea, no me importa lo que venga. Are you going? Are you in a long? HX? Yes, so now let's put an alarm here. Create. Lo que duela, lo que duela. You killing it today, Parhanilaya. You killing it, man. You killing it. Let's see, it breaks the structure and let's go for a Tsu. The Tsu is at the 600. And break, full break. Let's see. You killing it. God in my veins. I got blood in my veins. Love in my eyes. Love in my mind. I see nice for the pain. You keep the sunshine. Save me the rain. I search but never cry. The mortar. As long as 4920 isn't broken, sell still has an edge. Okay. So I kick the world up and I'ma drop it. You killing it. You killing it, sir. I know, but they don't wanna tell you. Let me see to make sure. I really want to make sure that I don't need a retest here a little bit. I'm not going in. Need a retest. Wait a second. I want to wait for a little retest. Are broken with the full candle. Yes, it is broken with the full candle. The area. Okay, let's see. I have a retest here. Let's just go. Mitsutsu. Let's see. I am good, Vinaya. How are you? Oh God, this is my. Don't you go up. Give me a retest of this area and go down. I'm overthinking too much. And retest this area. Let's go. Today's plan is not to lose money. Oh, that's the today's plan. Det väl kom det ju bam igen. I need a retest here. I got in like a crazy woman. Man. At least I didn't got in on my cash account, but still. Wait for the retest, Adelina. Here is the retest. So this was the retest. Now, after this candle, that's more safety to enter, okay? So, yeah, let's see. No, I am in, though. I am in, Parhanila. I'm in. I got the retest here. I'm in. I'm in. Would I regret it? Parhanila, send me your. If you have my Instagram, send me your analysis on Instagram. I'm just curious how you analyze your chart. If you want, of course. Windows down, yeah, we're riding. With the other man, this is driving. I swear you said don't sell then. Said sell straight after. Me, I said don't sell. I said sell when this structure was breaking. That's what I said. I was waiting for the retest. The retest happened, but let's see. Oh, what I did. I want to delete this one. Okay, Navaraj, I'm gonna look into you. Me, since love only let me, baby, I'ma need you to check. That's for gold. Yeah, it's nice, Navaraj. Actually, it's a very good strategy. HMA 17. On 5 minutes you are? No. On 1 minute? It's very similar with the strategy that I want to study. I want to study with the SSL channel. Let's just put the SSL channel right here. But I like Berlin bands too. And I like how simple you put it on your chart. Very nice. Parhanilai, Parhanailai. Ta-da. This should be my entry right here after this. And just here. No, the strategy is very nice. I think it's a very good strategy, Navaraj, because it's simple, it's based on rules. But where do you struggle? You struggle with the psychology, following your rules? On what chart did you send me here? PP. And why did you change and you put there 0.5? I like that, but I'm just curious why you did that. Justin Herlin is a very good guide to watch for psychology of trading. He makes me calm down. He said, relax, don't be nervous, ma'am. You're making a profit today. Um, um, Parhanilai, I'm not tense. I'm not nothing. The only feeling I have right now, to be honest, is I feel like I entered just a little too early. My entry should be just below this white line. You know, I feel like I entered a little bit too early, and I don't like when I don't follow my strategy like 100%. I really I'm I'm beating myself up when I don't follow it. I don't like the feeling. I guess that's a good thing, you know, because that's how you build discipline. When you don't follow your strategy, you should feel bad, not when you lose. And I did not follow it 100%. If it passed this white line, I'll feel way better. Treat your woman right. She's worth your time. What do you say? Yes, ma'am, I told you to sell to be the same. Instead, I waited for it to break through, so I entered in the middle zone. Why did you enter? You did not enter because I did not enter, Parhanila? You don't have to wait for me. You follow your strategy. You have to follow your strategy. And if you believe in your strategy, follow it. Don't wait for me. I told you I'm more conservative. Look, right now, for example, if this closed right here, I feel way better. And look, just watch. If I was to follow the strategy from the beginning, this would be the entry. Stop loss here, take profit. So watch, it's just going to go straight down without this bumbling around. This is the retest. I'm a sniper entry type 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Can stop loss wide. My capital is small. I appreciate that. I admire that. And if you have a strategy that goes 1 to 5, 1 to 10, wow, you are a genius. For real. Send me your strategy on Instagram. I really want to take a look at. But you did enter, right? You did not enter with me. You enter. You enter somewhere here, right? You didn't wait for the break. What about you? And the real man knows the real one. Know the real man. And pray to please. Let me get this channel out of the way. Because that's more of a swing strategy. More stop loss right here. But yeah, guys, now I feel more confident that it's gonna get to here. To this area first. And then I'll want it here, but we'll see. because I entered early. I felt a little pressure. You guys were in. Um, but this is the strategy. The price did break with the full candle. It broke the strong area and retested it, which is here a retest. This is not a retest. It didn't touch it. You see? But I got in. I got in even before. I got in right here after I saw this candle. I should not. I should have been waited to go in right here. Because you see, after it break the white line, it did not bumble around. Let me put it so my stomach is hungry. So, okay. And now we wait. With you, I never. Now the price is around the EMA 50 on 5 minutes. You enter 49 because the psychological resistance was impossible to break because the buyers were not strong enough. Very nice. Really very nice. 49. Yeah. Very nice. Very, very nice. You killing it. You are killing it. Where you from? Parhanilais? Man, we are for 2 hours in. Let's wait for a little bit more, and this is the trade. I'll let you know on Instagram how it goes. But that's the trade of the day. Oh. Harpal, are you in? Or you out for the day? You in? Okay. I'm waiting for another 5 minutes and I'll move my stop loss. Si todavía me amas como antes, ya nada me parece interesante. When did you got in, Harpal? You got in with me or? Be careful, ma'am. This is a key support, 48.80. 48.80 it passed. Oh, okay. So you got in with me, kind of. That's good. Did I put an alarm when the price touches this next area? Yes, but let me drag it a little bit more. Ya nada me parece interesante. Yo sé que en el amor soy un farsante. Yo sé que en el amor soy un farsante. En un amor real. Here we go. We're getting to the. Yes, you told me. You told me. And I did not say that I did believe you, but I needed my personal strategy to confirm that. But you are good. You are a good sniper. I'll see you tomorrow. You know what? Let me make a poll. And I'm glad you guys found me on YouTube. But I'll make a different poll because I'm actually curious. And please answer. Do you buy? Do you guys believe I am too of a conservative of a trader? Like I'm waiting for too many breaks, retest, too many confirmations? Should I be a little bit more aggressive? Maybe catch bigger moves? I don't know. Yes, too conservative, Navaraj. Okay. Should be a little bit more aggressive. Be careful, ma'am. 48,700 is very strong. If it breaks through, then the price will fall. It did break through, no? There's the 700. Here we go, 700. At this point, let's move the stop loss just below, just above EMA. Now we only risking $75, which probably I should just put it break even. Okay, so I have 40% says that yes, 60% says that no. Navaraj said yes, I am too conservative. High Dan says my trades are high probability. I do think sometimes also that I'm too conservative. So I used to be way more aggressive. I used to be aggressive. But when you are aggressive, like you need to see yourself, your personality, how it is. How do you deal with the losses? When I was aggressive, I will have, yes, I'll have more trades, like not just one to two. The trades that I will win, it will be bigger moves, I'll catch a bigger move. But when I will lose, I will fuck it up. I'll fuck it up hard. So I needed to find something that I lose less. So that's being conservative. Because for me, it's not about how much of a trend I catch or how much. It's more about how many times I lose and how many times I win. That helped me with my psychology. Yeah. But I do think sometimes maybe if I will, like for example here too, I saw this candle here. I'm not gonna lie. I saw this. It show a reversal. This candle right here. This show a reversal. And you can see the price failed to break it. So if I was my old one, I'll probably just get in just while it break once this candle when this pattern is broken, I'll just get in right here when I see this. But that will be my old me. And my heart will be like pak a big heartbeat here on this area. My heart will just pump 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 pump. Yeah. But I saw this candle here. But and look at the trade that actually follows my strategy. I barely went in drawdown after the retest and the break of the low. My trade didn't even go in drawback, and now it's gonna touch the take profit. So my heart is feeling okay. I saw your live footage, and with due respect, I enter it in a random area. It's just so happening that you are live, so I'm sharing a little bit of. So you admitted that you just enter randomly in your trade? What are you saying, Parhan? Because you did have a good reason to enter. You said it was a psychology level that the buyers faked to couldn't break it. So that's a great reason to go in. But you went in through this area here that gives you a lot of palpitation. Hello. Okay, so it touched the 600. So right now I'm just gonna take profit I move my stop loss. It's gonna move, it's gonna touch my full TP, but let me see how it reacts here, and I'm gonna just close it. Because I put the full two. If it's gonna reject here, I'll close it right now. Hello, hello. Right here. Why it doesn't allow me to? Here we go. I move my stop loss just above this candle right here that first touched the area. Congratulations to you, Parhanilai. You had a great trade. You had a great trade. But today was another day where I I I learned another lesson. I need to follow my strategy. That's it. Here we go. It touched the area of interest. And we touched the two almost like a few pips away. So, yes. This was the trade. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully with another good trade. And yeah, follow your strategy, guys. See you mañana. And enjoy your rest of the day. And I hope I'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. And like, I count to 10. Please, guys, like my stream. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just one person liked it, but it's fine. Next time. Thank you, Robert. Bye bye.